Welcome, today in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now let's get this application, this one. So tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we should open the app. So click here to open the app. After that, just tap here yes I agree, pick close. And here tap to OK in the left down corner, and now we can see here the information with how device battery health. In my case, that's good. Also here you can find the different just another information about your device battery, like the level, capacity, voltage, like the Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.